Hi, I'm Vidya from Funky Rainbow, the independent children's bookshop and the traveling children's bookshop. We've traveled all the way from JP Nagar to Azim Premji University this morning as part of their weekend community program. It's so much fun to come to the campus. We've come here for the first time into this beautiful green leafy campus. And what we're going to do is to engage children and adults with stories about mangoes, art and craft about mangoes, making a book and story up about mangoes to celebrate summer. So the weekend engagement program at Azim Premji University is such a wonderful initiative in this part of town, and the idea of this initiative is to get the community involved in activities that happen on campus. As part of our program today, we have Grace Stroke, narrating wonderfully hilarious stories.
We used to have sweets for breakfast, we used to have sweets for lunch, and we used to have sweets for dinner.
I'm very happy to have been part of the weekend at Azim Premji University, and it was great fun to meet with children and to share stories from around the world with them. So what fun I had here is is indescribable, because the kids here were lovely and they were very participative. So when I could tell them a story and just be over with it, what they did was to challenge me with questions during the storytelling. They had suggestions, and I had great fun with them because they were a cool bunch of kids who were willing to participate in all of it.
Peda, chocolate, rasagulla.
So I'm hoping that this will be the start of many more things like this, and we come from Funky Rainbow, a traveling children's bookshop that brings a huge collection of Indian children's books to places like this.
We are absolutely delighted to be here, and we're looking forward to all the masti and mango maza.